Borzon here from the Ram Truck Commercial Vehicle Team. One of the most common questions we get is, how do I hook up LED lights on the rear of my Ram chassis cab? Normally, you get fast flash on the instrument cluster and fast flash on the side view mirrors. The rear lights will still flash at the normal rate. In addition, you'll get a little message on the cluster that says your left and right turn signal lights are out. So now that you've seen the fast flash issue, here's how you fix it. This wire right here under the hood, green wire with a white tracer. When you ground that wire, it will clear out the fault codes on 2015 trucks. For 2014, this wire will prevent the fault. So what that means you have to do is remove the LEDs, temporarily install the incandescent bulbs in the rear, and cycle the turn signals for about 20 seconds each side. That will clear the faults. You can then take this wire, put an eyelet on it, and actually connect it right to a ground bolt on the fender inner. The fault will not reoccur. One other solution to the LED fast flash for 15 is this. It involves the Vehicle System Interface Module, or VISM module. When you order the VISM module, it also comes with a VISM module wiring harness kit. And this kit contains 4 color-coded wiring harnesses that actually match the inlet ports on the VISM module. You'll find a green wiring harness with a green connector. That plugs into the upper of the 3 open ports in the VISM. Find the white wire with the brown tracer and ground it to a convenient source underneath the instrument panel, and that will take care of the fast flash and the faults on the instrument cluster. That takes care of putting LEDs on the rear of your truck. If you have any more questions, feel free to go to the Ram Truck website. Thanks.